Now, you're a guy that feels like, and correct me if I'm wrong, you feel like you have superpowers. Do you feel like you have superpowers? If you had a superpower, you could pick a super.
Having that career that young men have, and then you hit the white.
About 10 years ago, I
did that, and then I did a little Cosby before the.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my too.
We don't even know if it recorded, you know? That's the thing about it, you know?
I hope so. If it wasn't, that would be such a huge disappointment, man.
It would, but you know what? I'm sure it did. It says it's working.
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
All right, man. That's fun. You know, you had fun, right? It's fun.
Oh, let me tell you something. I've never had more fun.
Not that I remember. I mean, we've never, camped out together, but and
then I moved.
Come on, you know what I mean. Where did
you? Excuse me, with protocol and
hush puppies. I know Sunday brunch specials, and
people close to you would change. I was the same.
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging. And
you ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.